Hi students of class 5. Today we will do one worksheet from the book, page number 106. So I will request everyone, please open the book, page number 106 and take a pencil in your hand. So let's start the class. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Abacus was the first counting tool. Jacquard's loom used punch cards to store patterns. Jacquard's loom used punch cards to store pattern. Atanasoff Berry computer was the first electronic computer for general use. Herman Hollerith's company was later known as IBM. Match the following. This side we have operating system, microprocessor, voice recognition, difference engine, step reckoner. And this side we have 5th generation system software, Babbage, Leibniz, 4th generation. So now operating system we will match with operating system is matched with system software. Microprocessor we use it in 4th generation, so we match microprocessor with 4th generation. Voice recognition is a feature of 5th generation, so matching voice recognition with 5th generation. Difference engine was invented by Charles Babbage, so match difference engine with Babbage. Step reckoner is matched with Leibniz. Now come to the true and false. Antivirus program harm the computer and destroy the data. False. They protect our computer from destroying the data. WinZip is a program which reduces the file size. True, as WinZip is a compressor software. Or it is a utility called compression utility. Language processors translate high-level language to machine language. True. Software can be classified into 3 types. False. They are classified into 2 types: system software and application software. Lotus 123 is a program which helps to create presentation. False, because it is a spreadsheet package. Now, what types of software are the following? Linux is an operating system. Interpreter is a language processor. McAfee is a antivirus software. Writer is a word processing software. MS Excel is a spreadsheet package. CorelDRAW is a graphics software. MS Publisher is a desktop publishing software. MySQL is a database management system, DBMS. So this is today's CW work. Now this is the CW work. The HW work will be to finish this page in the book, and after that send me the work at dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. And if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy, do your work and send me, don't forget it, and bye bye.